Today you're going to see us trying out a Degelman Strawmaster X. Essentially, it's as if a protill and a strawmaster heavy harrow had a baby. So it's a 70-foot heavy harrow with a gang of discs on the front of it. We were pulling it with a 620 horsepower Case IH quadtrac, and you could probably bring the thing to its knees. We were towing it at 10 plus miles an hour and doing a really good job, I felt. The benefit of running one of these is that you don't need to own the two implements. You can get away with just one rather than owning both a protill and a heavy harrow. You can get away with just owning the Strawmaster X. And then that gray box on the front is their proprietary Valmar setup.